A quick review video for you. So I got a cordless vacuum cleaner that you could, well, I'm going to be using it in my car, but it is all electric. It's charged via the USB-C plug, and it includes several different attachments. So you got this one here, you got a smaller one, and then here's the regular tip for the front. Now the vacuum comes with two different filters. These are washable, and I recommend just spraying them off with compressed air or an air compressor. That's what I did the first time I used it. So I have used the product once. The filters just pop right out right there, and then they just pop in right there as well. So you basically want to take this thing here to put it together, and you want to ensure that the way that that's curved is down instead of up. And the reason that's important, there's a little flap in there that I'll show you a close-up of. But you just basically put it in there and you twist, and then you got your nozzle. Then you can put your attachments on it as you wish. So for a vacuum piece, this is how I have been using it, and it's been working good. So that does the suction, and then if you want to use the blow function, then you just basically have to come on this side, and you'll put your nozzle in there, and then you'll get a blow. So that's how the blow function works. You got a little bag to carry it, so you can put it under your seat or whatever the case might be. But it's pretty nice. I think the most beneficial use case for this would be in your cup holder area where you put your keys and your cell phone. I know for me, in my truck, I often get some dust and dog hair and stuff like that in there. And I think it would be nice to have something like this to clean it up quickly. But the charging, it takes 2 hours to charge, and its runtime is 20 minutes. The weight is 400 grams. It's very light, and it seems to do pretty well.